तस्यारविन्दनयनस्य पदारविन्दम् किञ्जल्कमिश्रतुलसी मकरन्दवायुः अन्तर्गतस्वविवरेण चकार तेषां संक्षोभमक्षरजुषाम् अपि चित्ततन्वो. The four Kumaras could have raga to Bhagavan that is standing there in front of them because Tulsi Devi entered into their nostrils and gave that attachment to Bhagavan, love for Bhagavan. That's how Nama is there. Nama is great purifier. Attachment to the Nama comes when we worship the lotus feet of the giver of the Nama. Cheto darpanamarjanam bhavamahadavagni nirvapanam Shreya kairava chandrika vitaranam vidyavadho jivanam Anandambudivardhanam pratipadam purnamrita swadanam Sarvatmasnapanam param vijayate Sri Krishna Sankirtanam. That's the potency of Krishna Sankirtanam. Sankirtanam, Kirtana of the Nama, Kirtana of Bhagavan is so potent that it can immediately give smarana of Bhagavan, a remembrance of Bhagavan. Nama is meant for smarana. It will come with no separate effort. When the jiva is being purified, automatically there will be smarana. That's why it is called Nama Smarana. From time immemorial, it is called Nama Smarana. Because Nama will give smarana, is bound to give smarana. When a soul is completely purified by Nama, there is smarana right there. Namna makari bahudang nija sarva shakti statra arpita niyamita smaranena kalaham etadrishi tava kripa bhagavan mamapi durdaiva mitrishamiha janina anuraga. In the Navavidha Bhakti, Shravanam Kirtanam Vishnu Smaranam happens. It's not like Smaranam first. It's not Smaranam, Shravanam, Kirtanam. It's Shravanam, Kirtanam, Vishnu Smaranam. Nama deepens to give Smarana. Nama precedes Smarana. Nama deepens to give Smarana. Trinadapi sunichena taroreva sahishnu namani namanadena kirtaniya sada harim. Nadanam na janam na sundarim kavitam va jagadisha kamaye. Mama janmani janmani ishware bhavatad bhaktiya haitu kitvayi. Gaurachandra, we are Gaudiya Vaishnavas. Gaurachandra Sri Siksha Ashtakam. He's teaching us, giving us sikshana of how to do serve the Nama. And all the smarana is right here in the Sri Sikshashtakam when we are serving the Nama. Ainanda tanuja kinkaram patitam mam vishame bhavambudam kripayam tava pada pankaja stita dhuli sadrisham vichintaya. Here is the Nama giving the raga bhakti to the jiva. This Nama that is given by Gaura Priyajana is giving raga bhakti to the jiva. That's what Srila Gaur Kishore Das Babaji Maharaj said. What is Siddha Pranali? Harinam. Harinam when done in Trinadapi Sunichena. The instruction given by Gauranga Mahaprabhu, that Nama gives the Siddha Pranali, Siddha Deha, Raga Bhakti. So Nanda Tanuja Krishna, yes, please place us as saffron dust particles at your lotus feet. Pick up from this poisonous ocean of modes. Then Nayanam Galadashrudharaya Vadanam Gatyadaruthaya Giram Pulakair Nichitair Vapukada Tavanama Grihane Bhavishyati. These tears rolling down the cheeks. In this mood, they are free of dvandva and moha. Those tears that come during Dvandva and Moha, those are not Nainam Galada Shrudharaya. Those are filled with Bhokta and Bhakta mentality, still enjoying tendency are there. In that come and go tears, come and go thought. But here Nayanam Galada Shrudharaya is, these tears are free of Bharta and Bhokta mentality. Then युगायितं निमिषेण चक्षुषा प्रावर्ष्यायितं शून्यायितं जगत् सर्वं गोविन्दविरहेण मे आश्लिष्य वा पादरतां पिनस्तु माम् आदर्शनं मर्महतां करोतु वाम् यदा तथा विदधातौ लम्पटो मत्प्राणनादस्तु स एव न परः प्राणनादा श्रीहरिनामा who is revealing himself as Gopinatha. You are our Prananatha. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Whoever he is or recites his Sri Sikshashtakam given by Sriman Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, their love and devotion for Krishna will increase day by day. Tara Madhya Sarvasreshta Nama Sankirtana Niraparada Nama Hoile Paye Premadana. Whole Chaitanya Charitamrita is about Nama Sankirtana Niraparada Nama. Then comes Krishna Prema. Krishna Prema is through Niraparada Nama. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. प्रेम से कहो श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्तवृंद की जय। श्री हरिनाम प्रभु की जय। श्री शिक्षाष्टकम की जय। आचार्य भगवान की जय।